Good morning. We are out here in North Cascades National Park, day 3 for another adventure. We are going to be hiking Thunder Knob, and then we got to head back to Seattle to fly to San Francisco. Beautiful forest. This is Colonial Peak, kind of socked in. Big, tall, beautiful mountains. The Cascades are all about. So here we are at the end of the Thunder Knob hike. Beautiful overlook of Diablo Lake. The color is incredible. The Diablo Lake overlook is directly across the way from us. And we got some peaks hiding out through the clouds. Gorgeous, love being here. So with Thunder Knob and Lake Diablo behind me, I think we're going to bring this video and our North Cascades National Park adventure to a close. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit that subscribe button. I will be back with more weekly adventure videos. A lot of them come up from California, so please don't miss that. And I hope to see you on another adventure.